In the past, I was like feeling a lot of less confident, but after this restoration of hair, I'm feeling more confident. So the suggestion what I can give you is just go confidently. You should be okay, because don't think too much, because if you think, you will lose your hair. So it is better to take a decision earlier. These guys are good. That's what I can say for you. Hi, my name is Sagar. I've been facing hair fall issues past 3 years. So I have went through different social media channels on restoring my hair. At that moment, I found a YouTuber where he is sharing his experiences on Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic in Pune, and I felt like this Pune location seems closer to me, and I'm very confident that they might help me for restoring my hair. So I just contacted them through WhatsApp, and they responded very positively, and they gave me the required dates for appointment. I just went over there, and they're very friendly. To be frank, they are very honest with me, and they said that many people who are getting hair transplantation, they recommended Dr. Kiran. So they introduced me to Dr. Kiran, and I spoke to him. He is very nice person. He just gave me a lot of inputs on how many grafts needed, areas which I need to cover. He gave me full length introduction on what can be done, and I was happy with it, and I just went ahead. And the payment which they told me is very reasonable. It's not expensive. And when they started this procedure, I was a little nervous because it was the first time for me anyway. But they made me comfortable. The supporting crew over there are very helpful. They did it very nice and calm. In a joking way, I should say, I slept in the middle. It was so nice, and I did not feel any pain. It was minimal pain. Obviously, there will be some incisions, right? But Kiran sir did very nice job, and you can see the result. At that moment, I felt little skeptic how it's gonna be, but later on, he suggested me some medications after the procedure. I just went. It all happened in a day, like in 3 hours. After that, I followed the medications, and the hair was growing well. At that moment, when the YouTuber who told me the location is in Pune, I just even though I'm from Hyderabad, I had to travel to Pune to get that done. But now they have opened a clinic in Hyderabad for all of us people like me. So now it is very convenient for me to come over here. So PRP sessions which are planned for me, I'm going to take right away in Hyderabad. And the same doctor who was in Pune, she was transferred to Hyderabad to take care of the clients from Hyderabad. So now this location is very convenient for me. I'm going to take over here. So the suggestion what I can give you is just go confidently. You should be okay, because don't think too much, because if you think, you will lose your hair. So it is better to take a decision earlier. These guys are good. That's what I can say for you. And you can definitely come over here and get the treatment as soon as possible and restore your hair. That is my suggestion, because you can see me. I'm having it. I'm having that confidence right now. Trust me, I felt really good after this whole transplant, because I regained my confidence. In the past, I was like feeling a lot of less confident, but after this restoration of hair, I'm feeling more confident. I would like to take this moment to thank Dr. Kiran sir. He who helped me in getting this done. All the supporting staff, all the other persons, helped me in my hair regrowth journey. Thanks to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic, and thank you again for putting their clinic in Hyderabad for convenience.